In this video, I am going to explain about editing linked source data. Here, I will create the terrain model. I'm going to create the terrain model by enabling Ignore feature linking option. I will again create the terrain model and I will disable the Ignore feature linking option to see what this settings makes the difference in the terrain model. So here I am going to use the graphical filter manager to create the terrain model. Here I have created the two filters. One is for buildings and one is for break lines. And I have to make a group of the buildings and break lines. Now I'm going to select the break lines and the building as a group. I will enable the ignore feature linking option and I will use the edge method, the remove silvers, and I will give the existing triangles as a feature definition. And I will give the name the survey. I'm gonna accept the data point and you will see the terrain model has been created. Now what I will do, I will move one of my building to a new location to see what this makes difference in the terrain model when we move our building to a new location. So for here, I will use the task menu to move my building to a new location. I'm going to select move option. I will select my building and I'm going to place on a new location. So you will see the terrain model does not change. This is because of the ignore feature linking option which we have enabled. So here when the filters were created, the link to terrain feature option was enabled, which established a link between the graphics and the terrain model. When this setting is enabled, the link defined in the filter is active but the terrain model is not automatically updated. In this mode, the terrain model is updated using the update from source tool. Now here, I'm gonna update the terrain model according to the graphics. So here, I'm gonna use the element selection tool and I'm gonna hover on the terrain model until the heads up menu appears. So you will see here the update from source and I'm gonna select the graphic filter group. You will see the terrain model updates with the new location of the building graphics. Here is the delete button, which we can delete the terrain model. We also have a undo option to return all of the buildings that were moved to their original position. Now I'm going to create the terrain model again using the graphic filter but with the ignore feature linking option disabled. Here I will select my graphic filter group and I'm going to accept my data point and this will create the terrain model. Now again I'm going to use the move option to move one of my buildings to a new location. You will see the terrain model updates automatically because it is linked to the source graphics. And this makes the difference in the terrain model by selecting ignore feature linking option.